Alright, here we got the Flasher 450. Quick unboxing of the kit. You've got the manual here. And then we've got the head of the helicopter. Main gear assembly. Tail system. A spare parts bag with all the stuff in there. Stabilizer set. Let's see, we got main blades, fly bar and paddles, the tail boom there, carbon fiber tail boom, tail linkage set and stuff. We've got the main frame pre-assembled, very nice. Got the canopy painted pretty nicely, very nice paint job, with a nice velvet storage bag. The landing skids and a blade holder. And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box.